ബിസ്മില്ലാഹിർ റഹ്മാനിർ റഹീം. അയ്യുഹത്തുല്ലാബുൽ അഹിബ്ബ, അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും വറഹ്മത്തുള്ളാഹ്. How have you been, my dear student? All of you welcome to Arabic class. I am Muhammad Saeed with you. Today we are going to discuss the 7th lesson. Ad-Darasu Sabi', the 7th lesson. What's the name of 7th lesson? Jawlatun fi Delhi. Jawlatun, a trip, fi Delhi, in Delhi. Here we are going to discuss a trip in Delhi. Okay, let's go ahead. Ana Rashidun. Ana Rashidun. I am Rashid. Ana, I am Rashidun, Rashid. Anta Rashidun. You are Rashid. Anti Rashidatun. You are Rashida. To a female. Anti Rashidatun. Nahnu Tullabun. We are student. Nahnu, we are. Anta, Anti, you are. Ana, I am. Okay. Raja'tu, I returned. Sorry, kharajtu, I went out. Raja'tu, I returned. Kharajtu, I went out. Sabahan, morning. Ma'a abi, with my father. Bisayyarati, by car. Kharajtu, I went out. Sabahan, morning. Ma'a abi, with my father. Bisayyara, by car. Kharajtu, I went out. Kharajta, you went out. To a female, kharajti, you went out. Kharajna, we went out. Okay. Ma'a, with. Abi, my father. Ma'a, with means together. Dhahabtu, I went out. Ma'a akhi, with my brother. Ma'a muallimi, with my teacher. Ma'a walidati, with my mother. Bi, yani with. Katabtu bil qalami, I wrote with pen. Larabtu bil asa, I beat with stick. Akhadtu bil yad, I took with hand. That is the difference between ma'a and bi. In the case of English, we use with. Fanazzalani abi. Fanazzalani walidi. My father dropped me. Nazzalani, dropped me. Nazzalana, dropped us. Here, Nazzalani walidi. My father dropped me. Qurba Chandni Chowk, near Chandni Chowk. My father dropped me near Chandni Chowk. And he went away. Li adhaba alal aqdam. Li adhaba, to I go. Adhaba, li adhaba, to I go. Li alaba, to I play. Li aktuba, to I write. To afhama, to I understand. Li adhaba, to I go. Alal aqdam, on foot, by walking. To where? Ila bayti sadiqi, to my friend's house. Sadiqi, my friend. Sadiqina, our friend. Sadiquhu, his friend. Sadiquka, your friend. Okay. Ila bayti sadiqi Mahmoud, to my friend Mahmoud's house. My father dropped me near Chandni Chowk. To I go to Mahmoud's house by walking. Fariha Mahmoudun, Mahmoud became happy. Fariha, became happy. Fariha Mahmoudun, Mahmoud became happy. Biziyarati, on my visit. Lahu, him. Okay, let us check some opposite words and plural forms, past and present forms. Kharaja, lidduhu ja'a. Kharaja, lid yani opposite. Kharaja, went out. Ja'a, came. Sabahan, morning. Masa'an, evening. That is also lid. Lid yani opposite. Sabahan, morning. Opposite, masa. Walidun, father. Walidatun, mother. Walidani, parent. Walidun, father. Walidatun, mother. Walidani, parent. Quruba, near. Bu'da, far. Qadamun, jam'uhu aqdamun. Jim meant for plural. Qadamun, singular, aqdaman plural. Qadamun feet, aqdamun foot. Sadiqun friend, jam'uhu aqdaman. Sadiqun jam'uhu asdiqa'un. Sadiqun jam'uhu asdiqa'un. Friend, friends. Okay, let's go. Waqala li, and he said me, Mahmoud said me, لماذا لا نقوم اليوم بجولة في Delhi? Why don't we go for a trip to Delhi? لماذا, why don't, لا نقوم, قام يقوم stand, stood, here for ready, why don't you ready اليوم today بجولة for a trip في Delhi, in Delhi, means let's go a trip to Delhi. Are you ready? رحبت بالفكرة, I welcomed. رحبت, I welcomed. Here I agreed. بالفكرة, the idea. I agreed the idea. وقلت, I replied. من الأفضل, it is better أن نأخذ معنا, to take with us. الأفضل, it is the superlative sentence. من الأفضل, it is better أن نأخذ معنا, to take with us. راجو وجون أيضا في هذه الرحلة. Let us take with us Raju and John with us في هذه الرحلة, in this trip. Let us go together to Delhi. فذهبنا بالدراجة. فذهبنا, we went out. بالدراجة, by bicycle. دراجة, bicycle. by bicycle. أولا, at first. At first we went إلى بيت راجو, to Raju's house. At first we went Raju's house by bicycle. ثم إلى بيت John. After that, ثم, after that, إلى بيت John. At first we went Raju's house. After that we went John's house. اتفقنا, we agreed. We accepted, all of, we accepted جميعا. We all agreed, جميعا, all. على التجوال, on this trip. تجوال, trip. جولة, trip. Okay, let's check some new words. رحب يرحب. رحب يرحب, welcome. Here agreed. رحب past form, يرحب present form. أخذ took, وضع kept. أخذ took, وضع kept. ضده وضع. أخذ ضده وضع. أخذ opposite وضع. رحلة trip. جمعه رحلات trips. أولا, ضده أخيرا. أولا at first, أخيرا at last. اتفق يتفق. اتفق agreed. يتفق agree. اتفق past form. يتفق present form. قلت, I replied, or I said, ماذا نأخذ معنا من الأكل والمشروبات والبسكويتات. قلت, I said, ماذا نأخذ معنا, what we have to take with us. What should we have to take with us? ماذا نأخذ, what we have to take, معنا with us, من الأكل, to أكل, to eat the food. أكل, eat or food. والمشروبات, and drinks. Here what we have to take with us, food, والمشروبات and drinks, والبسكويتات and biscuits. قال راجو, راجو replied, لا داعي أن نحمل معنا شيئا. لا داعي, no need. لا داعي, no need. أن نحمل, to carry. حمل يحمل, carry. نحمل, we carry. معنا, with us, شيئا, anything. No need to take with us anything. Once again, ماذا نأخذ? What we have to take معنا with us من الأكل to eat والمشروبات drinks والبسكويتات and biscuits. قال راجو replied لا داعي أن نحمل معنا شيئا. No need anything we have to take with us. نشتري كل ما نريد في الطريق. نشتري let us purchase. اشترى يشتري let us purchase كل شيء كل ما نريد whatever we want. كل ما نريد whatever we want. في الطريق on the way. ونأكل let us eat and ونشرب and let us drink. Whatever we want let us purchase on the way and we have to eat and drink. No need to take with us anything. فخرجنا لنأخذ الباص. فخرجنا then we went out لنأخذ الباص to take bus من القلعة الحمراء from Red Fort. قلعة fort حمراء red خضراء green. من القلعة الحمراء from Red Fort. Okay, some words. Istara purchase, opposite باع selling. باع sell. Istara يشتري. Istara past form, يشتري present form. طريق path way. جمعه طرق. طريق جمعه طرق. أراد past form, يريد present form. أراد like or we want. أكل يأكل eat. أكل past form, يأكل present form. شرب يشرب. شرب past form, يشرب present form. drink. سأل محمود. Mahmud asked. Sa'ala asked. Qala said. Sa'ala Mahmudan. Mahmud asked. Ayya markabin tarkabunahu. Which vehicle should we get into? Ayya, which? Markab, vehicle. Tarkabunahu, we get into. Rakiba yarkabu, get in. Basal battariya أو عربة rickshaw. Basal battariya, we have to get into an electric bus or rickshaw. Basal battariya, electric bus. أو عربة يعني rickshaw. وهي مثل دراجة, it look like a bicycle. ولكنها بثلاث أجلات, but it has 3 wheels. ولكنها, but it has. ولكنها, but it has بثلاث عجلات, 3 wheels. يركبها شخصان, 2 persons. يركبها شخصان أو أكثر, 2 persons. شخصان, شخص a person. شخصان 2 persons. قلم a pen. قلمان 2 pens. كتاب a book. كتابان 2 books. بيت a house. بيتان 2 houses. Okay, شخصان 2 persons. أو أكثر or more. يركبها 2 persons or more can get into it. يركبها can get into it. بالإضافة إلى السائق الذي يسوقها مثل الدراجة العادية. بالإضافة إلى, in addition to, السائق driver. In addition to driver, we can, 2 or more person can get into this vehicle. يسوقها, who is the driver? يسوقها, he ride it. مثل الدراجة العادية, like an ordinary bicycle. The driver is riding this vehicle like an ordinary bicycle. not a rickshaw, not a car. He is drive this rickshaw like an ordinary bicycle. Okay, let us check some words. Markabun jam'uhu markabatun. Markabun jam'uhu markabatun. Ajalatun jam'uhu ajalatun. Shakhsun jam'uhu ashkhasun. Saqa yasuqu. Saqa drive. Yasuqu driving. Thumma wasalna. After that, wasalna, we reached. Wasala ila, reached. Ila is compulsory with wasala. Wasala ila al-qal'ati al-hamra, to Red Fort. We reached the Red Fort. Wantalarna, and we waited. Intalara, waiting. Intalarna, we waited. Intalartu, I waited. Intalarna, waited. Qalilan, some time, few time. Hatta ja'a basun ahmar, until a red bus came. Ja'a basun ahmar, a red bus. Hatta, until, ja'a, came. Hatta ja'a basun ahmaru, until a red bus came. Qala Raju said, Al-basul ahmaru yakunu mukayyifan am al-basul akhdar. Al-basul ahmar, the red bus, yakunu mukayyifan, is air conditioned. Am al-basul akhdar, or green bus. Which bus is air conditioned, red or green? Akhdar, green. Ahmar, red. Hamra, red. Khadra, red. Hamra, khadra for feminine gender. Ahmar and akhdar for masculine gender. Qultu, I replied, Bal al-basul ahmar. It is al-basul ahmar, red bus. The air conditioned bus is al-basul ahmar, red bus. Okay. Wasala yasilu. Wasala yasilu ila. Ila is compulsory. Wasala ila yasilu ila, reached. Intalara yantaliru, waiting. Intalara yantaliru, waiting. Qalilun, few. Kathirun, more. Farakibina al-basa. Farakibina al-basa. Then rakibina, we got into al-basa, the bus. Wastarayna, and we took, or we purchased. Ishtara is purchased. At-tadakira, the tickets, we purchased the tickets. Wa wasalna, we reached bihi ila Mihroli, we reached to Mihroli with that ticket. Fanazalna, we get down. Nazala, dropped. Nazala, got down or get down. Hunaka, there. Fanazalna, we go down there. Fanazalana, dropped us. But you have to understand the different. Nazala, nazala. Hunaka, there. Wazurna, and we visited. Al-mintaqata, the areas. Mintaqata, area. Wasaidina, and we climbed. Manarata Kutab Minar. Saidina, we climbed. Saitu, I climbed. Saita, you climbed. Saitu, to a female, you climbed. Manarata, where? Manarata Kutab Minar. Summa istarahna, after that we took rest. Istarahna, we took rest. Istarahtu, I took rest. Istarahta, you took rest. Qalilan, sometime. Wa akalna, we ate. Here we had ba'd al-aklati, some food. Wa akala ya'kulu, eat, ate. وأكلنا بعض الأكلات. We had some foods. We had some food. Al-Khafifa. Khafifa means soft. Then what is the soft food? The snacks. Al-Akalat al-Khafifa. We had some snacks. Washaribna, and we drink. Shariba, yashrabu, drink. Al-Mashrubat al-Barida, cool drinks. Mashrubatun, drinks. Al-Barida, cold drinks. Thumma rakibna, after that we got into Qitara metro train. Okay, let us check some new words. Tadhkiratun jam'uhu tadhakiran. Tadhkiratun jam'uhu tadhakiran. Tadhkiratun tickets. Nazala yanzilu, get down, got down. Nazala, drop. Nazala sa'ida. Nazala, got down. Sa'ida, climbed. Istaraha yastarihu. Istaraha, past form. Yastarihu, present form. وَوَصَلْنَا بِهِ إِلَىٰ آثَارِ جَنْدَرْ مَنْدَرْ. وَوَصَلْنَا, and we reached إِلَىٰ آثَارِ جَنْدَرْ مَنْدَرْ, to monuments of Jandar Mandar. Athar, monuments. فَقَضَيْنَا, we spend. قَضَى يَقْضِي, قَضَيْنَا, we spend. قَضَيْتُ, I spend. قَضَيْتُ شَهْرًا فِي Dubai, I spend in Dubai 1 month. قَضَيْنَا, we spend. وَقْتًا مُمْتِعًا, joyily, happily. We had a nice time. وَقْتًا مُمْتِعًا, complete meaning. وَقَضَيْنَا وَقْتًا مُمْتِعًا, we had a nice time. كَمَا تَجَوَّلْنَا, as well as. تَجَوَّلْنَا, we surrounded, we roam. قَلِيلًا, sometime. فِي الْمَنَاطِقِ, the areas. مَنْطِقْ, مَنَاطِقْ. مَنْطِقٌ plural, singular. مَنَاطِقٌ plural. مَنَاطِقِ الْمُجَاوِرِ, nearby areas. مناطق, areas. Laha, of Jandar Mandar. Fara'ayna, and we saw. Ra'ayna, we saw. Ra'aytu, I saw. Ra'ayta, you saw. Ra'ayti, to a female, you saw. Ra'ayna, we saw. Fit tariqi, on the way. Fit tariqi, on the way. Fi, in Arabic, in, but here use on the way. That is English use, so on the way. Fil haqibati, in the bag. Fil bayti, in the house. Fit tariqi, on the way. Binayat al-Barlaman al-Hindiya, Indian Parliament building. Binayat, building. Al-Barlaman al-Hindi, Indian Parliament building. We saw Indian Parliament building there. Means on the way we saw the Parliament, Indian Parliament building. وَكَذَلِكَ, like that. Binayat al-Idha'ati, Binayatan, building. Idha'at, radio. Li'umumil Hindi, All India Radio. Again we saw All India Radio building also. كان الوقت الآن السادسة مساء. Now, or the time was 6 o'clock. كانت الوقت الآن, now. سادسة مساء, 6 p.m. مساء, evening. In the case of time, سادسة مساء, 6 p.m. سادسة صباحا, 6 a.m. Otherwise we have to say مساء, evening. صباحا, morning. فَفَكَّرْنَا فِي زِيَارَةِ بَالِكَ بَزَارِ. فَفَكَّرْنَا, then we thought. فَكَّرَ يُفَكِّرُ, thought. فَفَكَّرْنَا, we thought. فِي زِيَارَةِ بَالِكَ بَزَارِ, to visit Balika Bazaar. Now 6 o'clock. Then we thought to visit Balika Bazaar. فَرَكِبِنَا بَاسًا, and we got into a bus. Atharun jam'uhu atharun. Atharun singular, atharun plural. Monuments. Qala yaqli spend. Qala past form, yaqli present form. Tajawwala yatajawwalu surround or roaming. Mintaqatun jawwalun mobile phone. Mintaqatun manatiqun. Mintaqatun jam'uhu manatiqun areas. Fakkara yufakkiru thought, think. Wasalna mintaqata Connaught please. Wasalna we reached mintaqata Connaught Belize. Belize means palace. That is the English word. Wasalna we reached mintaqata Connaught Belize. Connaught palace. Mintaqat area. Wasmuha al-jadidu Rajiv Chowk. Its new name is Rajiv Chowk. Its old name is Connaught Palace. Tasawwaqna we shopped, we purchased qalilan sometime. So tasawwaqa suq shop. Tasawwaqna suq market. Tasawwaqna we shopped qalilan sometimes. Thumma dhahabna after that. Dhahabna we went ila mat'am to restaurant. Fashtara ishtara yashtari purchased. Mat'amun restaurant plural mat'imun. Fashtara we purchased. Washtara Raju purchased. Ba'lama na'ukulu some things to eat. Ba'l some things, ma na'ukulu to eat. Washai and tea. He purchased some food and tea. Wasa'alnahu. Sa'alna we asked. Sa'altu I asked. Sa'alna we asked. Who? Him. We asked him. Mada staraita. What did you buy? What did you purchase? Mada staraita. What did you buy? Ismun jam'uhu asma'un. Ismun singular, plural asma'un. Tasawwaqa yatasawwaqu. This is shopping, shopped. Matan means purchasing from shop. Mat'amun mata'iman. Mat'amun restaurant. Mata'iman restaurants. Mata'iman restaurant. Then we asked him, al-baskavitati aw al-ka'ka bishoklat. Did you buy biscuits or chocolate cake? Did you buy biscuits or chocolate cake? Qala, he replied, Raju replied, Istaraitu, I purchased. Istaraina, we purchased. Istaraita, you purchased. Istaraiti to a female, you purchased. Here istaraitu, I purchased. Al-ka'ka, the cake. La al-baskavitat, not biscuits. I purchased the cakes. Akalna, we ate or we had. Al-ka'ka, the cake. And washaribna ashai, we took the tea. Washaribna ashai. We took the tea. Akalna al-ka'ka, akala ya'ukulu, eat, ate. Akalna al-ka'ka, we had the cake. Washaribna, shariba yashrabu, drink. Washaribna ashai, and took the tea. Wa ba'da dhalika, after that. Ba'da, after dhalika, that. After that, raja'ina, we returned. Ilal bayt, to home. After that, we returned to home. Raja'ina, we returned. Raja'tu, I returned. Raja'ita, you returned. Raja'iti, to a female, you returned. Ilal bayti, to house. Ilal buyuti, to houses. Okay, dear students, let's wind up our class here. Do you have any doubt? Please inform me through the comment box. Please share our classes to your friends and subscribe if it is useful for you. Thank you. I am happy to help you. Shukran. Ma'as salama.